How far are we heading? How far? Close? Okay, just up here. Not far.
Hi vlog! Hello! Welcome to Leyte! We're eating.
Okay, no, I see you're preparing the coconut.
Yeah.
Okay. And I see earlier you were preparing those leaves, yeah?
Yes.
Which you're going to
With
tell.
you. You're the one who's preparing it.
I was, but
Yeah.
I forget the name, so.
Hagnaja.
Habnaja,
Yeah.
and the other one you said was
Kamote leaves.
kamote leaves, that's it.
Yeah.
And I say kamote like sweet potato,
Yeah, sweet potato.
and that's correct
You're right.
for once.
You want a life like this?
Wanna what?
You want?
A coconut.
I mean a life like this.
A life like this, yeah. So peaceful, so tranquil, so beautiful. Yeah. So what do you do with the coconut once you've...
We're going to
Let's do
mix this one to have more soaps. Then it's gonna be our dish for today.
Okay. And what is the dish for today?
I was telling already.
What was the name of it?
I don't know what is it. Ay, sa pa ni pa? Tinula? Tinuwa ba ni? Tinuwa? Sinabaw.
Sinabaw.
Yeah. It means mini soups with vegetables.
Vegetable soup. Okay.
Yeah, vegetable soups.
So that one was the kamote leaves.
No, it's not Naja.
Hadnaja, okay. And kamote leaves.
Oops, oops. So messy. Joke.
Hey, steady. And your father was saying that the vegetables that we had, okay, it was collected from, it's like wild veg that was growing,
Yeah, wild vegetable.
yeah, where he keeps the ducks, yeah?
I think it's not. Yeah, it's mine.
So what is next? You mix them together and
Let them all.
when you finish eating,
I will let them all.
we could be here a long time, guys.